Welcome back. What you are looking at today is a 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170. But it's not just any Demon 170. This one is serial number 20, showing just 20 miles, and it's the only Demon 170 in the world finished in PY5 Cream Sickle paint. And I know this might stir up a little bit of controversy because, oh, it's a one-of-one car only because of the color. It's the only color that it came in that makes it one-of-one. Yes, but let me add something for you. This car was originally built for Kevin Hart, making it culturally kind of significant, right? I mean, it has the dude's name on it. Take a look. The Demon 170 was Dodge's ultimate send-off. It takes the familiar supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi and turns it up a notch. On E85, this thing makes 1,025 horsepower from the factory. That's 4 digits with no tuning, no modifications, straight from the factory. Power is sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission, and SRT engineered the car specifically to handle the drag strip. But here's where this car separates itself from others. This specific example was ordered with the extremely rare Jailbreak 170 package. Only 40 Demon 170s were even offered the opportunity to be finished in a one-off vintage or modern Jailbreak color. And then in the end, after Dodge came to a close with the production, fewer than 28 of them were actually completed. And out of all of those completed, this is the only one finished in Cream Sickle, which alone would make the car very special, but this example goes way beyond the paint. Inside you get the premium group with black Alcantara and Laguna leather upholstery, contrasted by demonic red seatbelts. This isn't shown in the photo, so I don't know how accurate it is, but in the listing it says that the rear seats are deleted and replaced with a carbon fiber rear seat delete panel. The rear seats look to be there in the photos, so I'm not really sure what's going on there, but I would take the word on the listing that there are no rear seats in there. Alongside with your 1,025 horsepower from the factory, you get a long list of extras, including a Simpson Demon 170 helmet finished to match the Cream Sickle paint, a custom-made LED Demon hood prop, a FA Autospa custom color matched indoor cover, as well as the original build sheet, the original window sticker, the Jailbreak invitation card and care instructions, a personalized 170 proof decanter set originally made for Kevin Hart, a Jay Leno detail kit, and even a framed display explaining the car's unique stats. Again, Mikko doesn't actually show these items in the auction description, they just list them there, so I can only assume that they're there, but I guess we'll never know unless you buy the car. On the outside, this car wears the SRT Hellcat Red-Eye Widebody 27Q package, which includes aggressive front and rear spoilers, the blackout package, air catcher headlamps, and a factory carbon fiber 2-piece wheels. Everything on this car exists for one reason, and that was to be the most extreme Challenger that Dodge could build. And this car represents the absolute peak of that, and not just because it's a Demon 170, but because it's the Jailbreak edition. There will never be another Demon 170. Matter of fact, there will never even be another Jailbreak 170 finished in Cream Sickle. And on top of that, there will never be another serial number 20 finished for Kevin Hart. So is this the ultimate American muscle car? No, absolutely not. There are 100 better cars out there, but it is super unique. It's got a super rich history, super fascinating history. I do hope whoever buys this at Mikko's upcoming Kissimmee auction that they do end up driving it, because this car obviously wants to go, and it wants to go fast.